Hi, I'm your host Bharat Bhushan. In this video, we are going to have describe image real PTE exam questions to practice before taking real exam. So be with me in this video till end. We'll discuss some repeated questions with answers for PTE exam describe image section. Like, share, subscribe my channel Bharat Bhushan for more PTE videos and click on bell icon for more updates. Guys, you can check out latest videos for PTE exam on my channel Bharat Bhushan. So go and watch. You can also check out the latest mock test for PTE exam to score high by attempting those mock tests, and you can learn new techniques by watching my videos on my channel. So please go and watch. So here we are going to have first question. So this is the screen. So first you have instructions. Look at the map below in 25 seconds. Please speak into the microphone and describe in details what the map is showing. You will have 40 seconds to give your answers. So guys, you have to read instructions very carefully all the time, because that is very important. And then you have to plan your answer in 25 seconds by watching the main points, highlighted points in this particular image. So this is the recorder section, the box which will show you the timing that your recording will start in next beginning of 25 seconds. Alright, so you have 25 seconds to prepare on this. So you can pause on this video for 25 seconds and record your answer on your mobile, right, so that you can check at the end of this video what the answer you have given. Alright, so I'm moving to the next question. Again, I'm telling you guys, you can just pause here and record your answer, and later you can check at the end of this video. Moving to the next question. Alright, again this is the second question, and again you can read the instructions that look at the graph below in 25 seconds. Please speak into the microphone and describe in detail what the graph is showing. You will have 40 seconds to give your answer. So I can give you some instructions here how you should give your answer. So you can notice what is the kind of images. It's a chart. Alright, line bar chart is the line bar chart. So you can specify this is the line bar chart, and you can specify the x axis and y axis, and you can also specify the range of x and y, and then you can start the starting point, medium and top. Likewise you can give your answer. Alright, so to know the best techniques for this particular section, you can go and watch describe image techniques. So you will learn how you should give the answers for this kind of questions. So again, you can pause here and record your answer. Later you can check out at the end of this video. Alright, again this is the bar chart. You can just read out the instructions. Again you have 25 seconds to prepare and 40 seconds to give your answers. Okay guys, one important thing for this particular question type, that you have to speak for 40 seconds, and in 40 seconds you must give your conclusion, right? So start with the introduction, then give the details, then finally the conclusion. 3 parts only, that's it. Alright, conclusion is must to score really high for this particular question type, or introduction, explanation and conclusion, right? So again you can just specify this is the bar chart, and y-axis years, then your people, right? Then this is for motor vehicle theft, and you can say that in which year is high, medium, low, like that. Okay, you can describe it. I'm just giving you the hint here. Now you can record your answer and later we check at the end of this video. Alright, so moving to the next question here. Alright, so again there's the bar graph. Look at the graph below in 25 seconds. Please speak into the microphone and describe in detail what the graph is showing. You will have 40 seconds to give your answer. Another important tip here, guys, that you have to speak immediately once the recorder is started. If you mute for 3 seconds, you will lost your chance to give the answer for that particular question. So you have only 3 seconds to speak out in your answer for your microphone, right? Okay, you can again now pause out the video here and record your answer, then later we can check out in this video. So I'm moving to the next question here. So question number 5. Look at the graph below in 25 seconds. Please speak into the microphone and describe in details what is the graph is showing. You will have 40 seconds to give your response. Guys, this kind of graph maybe quite seems like difficult one. Okay, because showing something, two different type of information, and you have to compare it sometimes, and you have to give the comparison out of it. So this is a very important type of question, and one image repeatedly coming this kind of, maybe not exactly this, but the pattern will be same. So you have to practice it very carefully, and I'll show you the answer of it, how you should give the answer for this particular question type 5, fifth one. Alright, at the end of this video. So be with me to the end of this video. Alright, again you can just pause here and record your answer. I'm moving to the next. 6th question here. So this is the very simple one here. Alright, so you have to tell the benefit received by health area in Sydney to 4% of eligible population. So, but try to speak 40 seconds completely to describe it. Okay, and speak as much as and in very nice speed. That is the key to success in your PTE exam for this particular section. Alright, again you can pause here and record your answer. Now moving to the answers for all these questions. So first answer. Alright, so that graph was basically a map, right, which is showing what exactly that's showing. Mentioned here some important points. You can just frame out with sentence. The map shows the gorilla distribution in Africa. Gorillas are found in a very small part of Africa. There are 3 types of gorillas found in Africa. The territory of different species of gorillas doesn't overlap. There are more western lowland gorillas in Africa than any other type. There are fewer western lowland gorillas in Africa than any other kind. So those are the important points. You can just frame out and check out with your answer. If your answer matching with these points, it means you are on the right way. Otherwise you can just again go to that question and try to again observe that particular image and try to frame your answer like these points. Alright, moving to the next. Answer 2. The graph shows iTunes purchase song from week 0 to week 150. So as I said, you have to explain the each section. So I'm mentioning the each point of that particular graph, important points basically. The second is the number of songs purchased has risen sharply since week 90, there were 1000 times more songs sold in week 148 than in week 0. The number of songs sold by iTunes has exploded in the past 150 weeks. iTunes only sold 1 million songs in its first week. Alright, so these are the important points. You can again check out your answer, your recorded answer. If you are matching with this particular points, then very nice. Otherwise, you can reattempt it. Question number 3. So the graph shows the number of people who have motor vehicles stolen within the period of 1998 to 2002. Car vehicle theft was the highest in 1998. It was the lowest in 2002. It was about the same in 1999 and 2000. All right. So very simple this one. Fourth question answer. The graph shows the rainfall in average daily temperature from January to December. Most rainfall in June, the least rainfall October and November. The average daily temperature was stable from January to December. That is very simple one. Okay, the third one and fourth one. Now we are jumping to the fifth one, which was quite difficult. Okay, difficult in the sense you have to know the right technique to describe that kind of image. So let's see. So big numbers here. This chart compares the thickness of the arctic sea ice between the period 1958, 1976 and 1993, 1997. The thickness of the Arctic sea ice decreased by 40% between the period of 1958 to 1976 and the period of 1993 to 1997. Arctic sea ice was 40% less in volume in the 1990s than in period 1958 to 1976. Likewise, I mentioned here the important points of that particular image. Try to include all these points in your answer. All right, because if you give the all important point of that particular image, then only you will get the high marks. Okay, so you can again check out your recorded answers with these points. Okay, and if you are missing some points, again you can just observe again the image, again you can record your answer, again you can check with these points. So likewise you have to practice at your home before taking the real exam. Alright, moving to the last answer here. So main points to be included in the description. So in 2004, approximately about 73.3% of the eligible population of Sydney Western Sydney received an age pension, while 7% received a disability pension. This compares with 64.9% and 6.2% respectively in Southeastern Sydney and Elvira. Alright, so likewise we have to pick the lowest point, the middle point and the high point and the stable point or the same points. Alright, so you have to specify all this important information of the chart in your answer, then only you will get the high marks. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel Bharat Bhushan for more PT videos, more updates. Click on bell icon to get to know about each and every video. Guys, I'm preparing videos and uploading videos on daily basis or day after daily basis. So I would say in a day or in a two or 3 days you will definitely get a new video, PT video. So you can just click on bell icon to get the notification of those videos, and you can just prepare your exam by watching those videos. So that's all. Thank you again for watching for this PT video. Thank you.